Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 25 stocks including MRF, Balrampur Chini, MSTC, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Phoenix Township Limited. Share is trading around rupees 236. Company announced a dividend of 10 paise, that is 1% per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 6th December 2024. Venus Pipes and Tubes Limited. Venus Pipes. Current market price rupees 1675. Company announced an interim dividend of rupees 0.5 per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 29th November 2024. Talbros Automotive Components Limited. Talbro Auto. Share is trading around rupees 313. Talbros Automotive announced interim dividend of 20 paise per each share, that is 10%. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 29th November 2024. Taparia Tools Limited. Share is trading around rupees 8.5. Company announced a dividend of rupees 25, that is 250%. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 29th November 2024. Nico Parks and Resorts Limited. Share is trading around rupees 220. Nico Parks and Resorts announced a dividend of 0.2 rupees per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 29th November 2024. Jamna Auto Industries Limited. Jamna Auto. Share is trading around rupees 104. Jamna Auto Industries announced a dividend of rupees 1, that is 100% per each share. 28th November is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. Dev Information Technology Limited. Dev IT. Current market price rupees 860. Dev Information Technology announced a dividend of 25 paise per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 26th November 2024. Balrampur Chini Mills Limited. Balram Chin. Share is trading around rupees 539. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3, that is 300% per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 25th November 2024. FDC Limited. FDC. Share is trading around rupees 496. FDC announced a dividend of rupees 5, that is 500% per each share. 22nd November is fixed as the ex-date and record date. MSTC Limited. MSTC. Share is trading around rupees 583. MSTC announced a dividend of rupees 4, that is 40% per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 22nd November 2024. Esab India Limited. Current market price rupees 6,129. Esab India announced a dividend of rupees 25, that is 250% per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 20th November 2024. NDR Invit Trust. Share is trading around rupees 105. NDR Invit Trust announced a dividend of rupees 1.75 per each share. 18th November is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Imami Limited. Current market price rupees 643. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4, that is 400% per each share. 18th November is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Manappuram Finance Limited. Manappuram. Current market price rupees 156. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per each share. 18th November is fixed as the ex-date and record date. MRF Limited. MRF. Current market price rupees 1,20,552. Company announced an interim dividend of rupees 3, that is 30% per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 19th November 2024. Mohit Industries Limited. Mohit Int. Current market price rupees 29. Mohit Industries announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 1000 shares of Mohit Industries, your 1000 shares convert to 10,000 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Mohit Industries. GPT Healthcare Limited. GPT Health. Share is trading around rupees 164. GPT Healthcare announced a dividend of rupees 1, that is 10% per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 28th November 2024. Surya Roshni Limited. Current market price rupees 619. Surya Roshni announced a dividend of rupees 2.5, that is 50% per each share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 25th November 2024. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.